morning everyone. What we have learned in that previous lesson? My family. Okay. What are the subheadings we have learned in that topic? What is a family? Different types of family. The family tree and caring for the family members. Okay. So now in my question, what is a family? Already you know, a group of people who are all related to each other make a family. So all the family members live in one house. So that is the family. Once upon a time, people lived in a caves. Do you know caves? It's made up of rocks. Okay, once upon a time, people live in a caves. It's made up of rocks. As they do not know how to build a house. So in modern times, they are all build a house in different types of roofs, floor, and then walls. So in my topic today, we are all going to learn about houses around us. Houses around us. A home is provide us shelter. Okay, எல்லாருக்கும் நம்மளோட ஹவுஸ் தான் ஒரு ஷெல்டர். மழை, ரெயின், வெள்ளம் இதெல்லாம் வந்துன்னா we have protect in the homes. Okay, each type of it's one of the special. We are all live in our homes. எல்லாருக்கும் அவங்கவுங்க வீடு எப்படி இருக்கும், ஸ்பெஷலாக இருக்கும். எனக்கு என்னோட வீடு ஸ்பெஷலாக இருக்கும், உங்களுக்கு உங்களோட வீடு ஸ்பெஷலாக இருக்கும். ஸோ தட் இஸ் த ஹோம் இஸ் ஸ்பெஷல் ஃபார் ஈச் பர்சன்ஸ். We must need keep and clean our houses. Okay, we must need keep neat and clean our houses. And then why do we need a house? Anybody know? Why do we need a house? ஏன் நம்மளுக்கு house வேணும்? We need a house is protect ourselves from rain, heat, wind, storm, and then some wild animals also. So that only we are all build a house and live with them. And then next one is that what is the difference between a house and a home? Anybody know the difference between a house and home? Yes, a house is a building. It's one of the building. House is a building, whereas a home is a place where we live with our family and feel comfortable. Okay, we live with our family. ஒரு நம்ம ஒரு வீடு கட்டி அதுக்குள்ள ஹாப்பியாக சந்தோஷமாக வாழ்கிறோம், அதுதான் என்னது ஹோம் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். And then people live, the family members, they are all feel comfortable and take relax. So that only we are all make a house. So there are different types of houses. Why do we need a house? We need a house to protect us from heat, rain, cold, wind, thieves, and wild animals. Okay, why do we need a house? We need a house to protect ourselves from heat, rain, cold, wind, thieves and wild animals. And then பெரிய புயல், மழை, வெயில் என்ன வந்தாலும் நம்ம ஹவுஸ் வந்து நம்ம வீட்டில் போய் சேஃபாக இருந்துக்கலாம். ஸோ that only we are all make a house. There are different types of houses. Okay, so that is the houses are made in different types of materials also. Some houses are made of bricks, cement, iron and steel. Steel are made to build a pakka houses. Okay, these materials are used to make a houses is known as a pakka houses. or used to make okay, there are two types of house. One is the pakka house, another one is the kacha house. First we learned that pakka house. What's the pakka house? Bricks, cement, iron and steel are used to make pakka house. These materials are used to build a house that is a very strong building. So that only we are all telling that's a pakka house. Okay, and then for, some examples for the pakka house. And first one, an apartment. An apartment is a housing unit. ஒரு particular ஏரியாவில் house மாதிரி build பண்ணுறாங்க. An apartment is a housing unit that occupies the place only a part of a building. ஸோ அந்த அப்பார்ட்மெண்ட்ங்கிறதுல அந்த பில்டிங் எவ்வளோ இருக்கோ அந்த பிளேஸை ஆக்குப்பை பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஓகே, an apartment is a housing unit that occupies only a part of a building. கரெக்டாக அந்த பில்டிங் மட்டும் இருக்கிற மாதிரி மேக் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க. ஸோ it is a multi-story. ஓகே, an apartment is a multi-story. நிறைய அடுக்கு மாடியாக இருக்கும். அங்கே அந்த அதை தவிர வேறு எதுவுமே இருக்காது. ஸோ an apartment is a housing unit that occupies only in the it is a multi-story. It is a multi-story building. Okay, an apartment is a multi-story building. First one, pakka houses. There are two types of houses. First we learn pakka houses. That iron, bricks, cement, iron and steel, these materials are used to make pakka houses. This type of buildings are very strong. So this that only we are all telling. So this is the pakka houses. First one is an apartment. An apartment is a pakka house. Is a housing unit that occupies only the part of area. கரெக்டாக அந்த பில்டிங் இருக்க ஒரு ஏரியாவில் and then it's a multi-story. அடுக்கு மாடியாக இருக்கும். Next one, a bungalow. A bungalow is one of a pakka house. Okay, a bungalow is one of the pakka house. A bungalow is a house having single story. Single story na ஒரே ஒரு மாடி தான் இருக்கும். A bungalow is a having single story or in some cases few rooms are set in the roof. சில பேர் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, பங்களா வச்சுருப்பாங்க. அந்த பங்களானா அவங்க வீட்டுக்குள்ளே எல்லாம் நிறைய ரூம்ஸ் இருக்கும். what are the different types of rooms? Bedroom, living room, kitchen, dining room, bathroom. So there are different types of rooms. So all those rooms are contained in the bungalow. So in some persons, some of them build another some rooms, a few rooms in the roof. மேலே மாடியில் இன்னும் 2-3 ரூம் எடுத்துருக்குறாங்க. So that is a bungalow. A bungalow is a housing A bungalow is a low house. A bungalow is a low house having single story or in some cases build few rooms, roof. Okay, what is a bungalow? Bungalow is one of the example of pakka houses. It's a low house. It's a low house having single story building. Okay, in some cases few rooms are set in the roof. roof of the building. Okay, so pakka house, first one is an apartment and then bungalow. Okay, in some bungalows it may or may not in front of that lawn having in front of it. ஓகே சில பங்களாவில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஃப்ரெண்டில் லான். டு யூ நோ லான்னா தெரியுமா என்னென்னு? புல்வெளி இருக்கும், அப்படி இல்லை கார்டன் வச்சுருப்பாங்க. சிங்கிள் ஹவுஸாக இருக்கும், அதை சுற்றி என்னது கார்டன் இருக்கலாம், நிறைய ரூம்ஸ் இருக்கும் உள்ள. சில பேர் மாடியிலையும் என்ன வச்சுருக்காங்க, ரூம்ஸ் வச்சுருக்காங்க. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் அ பங்களா. ஸோ திஸ் ஆல்சோ ஒன் ஆஃப் த பக்கா ஹவுஸ். ஸோ இட்ஸ் மே ஆர் மே நாட் keep lawn in front of it. Sometimes lawn irkalam, garden irkalam, illamla irkalam. So this is a bungalow. And then this two is a pakka houses. Next we learn kacha houses. Mud, stone, straw, wood and bamboo. And bamboo are used to make kacha houses. Listen children, there are two types of house. One is a pakka house, another one is a kacha house. Pakka house, the buildings, they are all very strong, and then cave foundation, and then the buildings are very strong. So that only we are all telling that is a pakka house. An apartment is one of the pakka house, and then a bungalow also one of a pakka house. And then next one is a kacha house. What are the materials are used to build in the pakka houses? Bricks, cement, iron and steel. These materials are used to make pakka houses. And then next one is the kacha houses. Mud, stone, straw, wood, bamboo. These materials are used to make a kacha houses. Okay, a hut is an example of kacha houses. A hut is an example of kacha houses. Once again I repeat, why do we need a house? We need a house protect us from heat, wind, rain and some wild animals. Okay, and then where we live, we are all live in the house. There are different types of house we live. Next one, pakka houses and kacha houses. There are two types of houses we learn. One is a pakka house, another one is a kacha house. That's a pakka house. Bricks, cement, iron and steel are used to make pakka houses. So these type of buildings are very strong. So that only we are all telling that is a pakka house. Pakka nale theriyala, sama super solra. So that's a pakka houses. An apartment is a housing unit that occupies only in the part of the area. An apartment ஒரு particular ஏரியாவில் பில்டிங்காக அடுக்குமாடியாக கட்டுறாங்க. So that is a apartment. Next one is a bungalow. Bungalow is a house having a low house. கீழேயே நிறைய many rooms in the bungalow. Okay, many rooms in the bungalow. For example, living room, studying room, bedroom, bathroom, dining room. So different types of rooms in the bungalow. So in front of the bungalow, sometimes garden or lawn in front of it. So this is a bungalow. The bungalow also one of the pakka house. And the next one is a kacha house. Mud, stone, straw, wood and bamboo are used to make kacha houses. Permanent house and then temporary house. Temporary house. First one is a permanent house. The pakka and kacha houses are fixed in a same place, one place. Okay, that pakka permanent houses, pakka and kacha houses are fixed in the ground. ஃபவுண்டேஷன்லாம் போட்டு ஃபிக்ஸ்டாக ஒரு பிளேஸில் வச்சுருக்குறோம். ஹட்டுன்னா தெரியல, குடிசை வீடு அப்பார்ட்மெண்ட்டு பங்களாலாம் என்ன பண்ணுறோம், we have make foundation and then keep fixed on the ground. So it cannot be moved. இந்த பில்டிங் என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, மூவ் பண்ணவே முடியாது, அசைக்கவே முடியாது. இட் cannot be moved. And then that pakka and kacha houses are also known as the permanent houses. So these type of houses are known as permanent houses. இதை தான் என்ன சொல்கிறோம், permanent houses சொல்கிறோம். pakka and kacha houses are fixed on the ground. It cannot be moved. So that is called a permanent houses. Permanent houses. A hut, huts, bungalow, and apartments and apartment is an example of permanent houses. Okay, that both pakka and kacha houses are known as a permanent house because they are all fixed on the ground. It cannot be moved. Okay, so that only is called a permanent houses. The hut, for example of hut, bungalow, apartment, these are all the permanent houses. And some people do not live at long time in one place. Okay, some people do not live at long time for one place. So they keep moving from one place to another. So they are all live in the temporary houses. So that type of people live in the temporary houses. சில பேர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரே இடத்துல இருக்க மாட்டாங்க, அப்பப்போ என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, ஒரு பிளேஸ்லேருந்து இன்னொரு பிளேஸ் மூவ் ஆவாங்க. ஸோ தட் டைப் ஆஃப் பீப்புள் ஆர் கால்ட் temporary, that type of people live in temporary houses. Some people do not live long time, live at long time for one place. They keep moving from one place to another. They keep moving from one place to another. They live in the temporary houses. They live in temporary houses such as tent, houseboats, and caravans. Okay, what is the temporary houses? Some people do not live at long time for one place. They keep moving from one place to another. So they are all live in the temporary houses. For example, tent, houseboats, caravans. These are all the move one place to another. So these type of people live in these houses, the tent, caravans, and then houseboats. It's okay. Next one, tent. Tent is made up of canvas. That is one of the thick cloths. Okay, the tent is made up of canvas. Okay, and then next one is a houseboats. Houseboats is made up of wood. Houseboats are made of wood. Houseboats are made of wood. It floats in It floats in river and lakes. River and lakes. And then next one is a caravan. Caravan is a house on a wheel. Caravan is a house on a wheel. House on wheel. It looks like a van. It looks like a van. Listen, here there are two types of houses. One is a permanent house and then next one is a temporary houses. Permanent house, that all the pakka and kacha houses are found fixed in the ground. These type of houses are known as a permanent house. It cannot be moved one place to another. So, this is a permanent house. An example of permanent houses, huts, bungalow and apartment. And the next one is a temporary house. Some people do not live at long time for a same place. They keep moving from one place to another. ஒரே இடத்துல இருக்க மாட்டாங்க. அப்பப்போ என்ன செய்வாங்க, ஒரு பிளேஸ்லேருந்து இன்னொரு பிளேஸ்க்கு சேஞ்ச் ஆவாங்க. So that type of they are all live in the temporary houses. They are all live in the temporary houses. அவங்க இங்கே எங்கே போகிறாங்களோ அங்கே போய் ஒரு ஹவுஸ் மேக் பண்ணுவாங்க. அப்புறம் ஒரு 1 or 2 months or 2 weeks they are all live this place. After that they remove all those things and go another one place. So that is the temporary houses. For example, tent, houseboats. Then houseboats are move on the water, and then caravans. These are the example of temporary houses. First one, tent. The tent is made of canvas. That is one of the thick cloth, and then is used to some wooden rods and bowls. They are all used to make a tent. And the next one is a houseboats. Houseboats are made of wood. Okay, boats are mostly made of wood. It floats in river and lakes. Okay, the houseboats are floats in river and lake. And then next one is a caravan. Caravan is a house on wheel. Okay, caravan on a house on wheel. It looks like a van. இது பார்க்கிறதுக்கு van மாதிரியே இருக்கும். அதில் wheel வச்சிருப்பாங்க. ஈஸியா one place to another one place easily they move. And then some special type of special houses. Some special houses built according to the climatic conditions. Conditions. So in some places very cold regions, and then some places very heavy rainfall area. So that region people are build a different types of houses. An example, in cold regions, very cold regions, people build dome shaped house. In a cold region people build dome shaped house. Okay, people build a dome shaped house using an ice blocks. Okay, என்னது வச்சு யூஸ் பண்றாங்க, building make பண்றாங்க, ice blocks வச்சு building make பண்றாங்க. In very cold regions people build house dome shaped house. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு bell shaped dome shaped house, they are all using ice blocks. These are all known as igloos. What is this? This is known as igloos. So because of this igloos they are all make the dome shape because they protect the cold. The people are protect the cold from the dome shaped building. So that only they are all built the dome shaped, and then it's made up of ice blocks. And then next one is a stilt house. Where they use the stilt house? Anybody know? Yes, in very heavy rainfall areas. Heavy rainfall areas, people build a house that higher from the ground. ஏன்னா அங்கே வந்து அடிக்கடி மழை பெய்யும், ரொம்ப மழையாக இருக்கிறதுனால that areas are wet areas, so that only they are all build higher from the ground. கிரவுண்டில் இருந்து நல்ல உயரமாக பில்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. So they are all using bamboo poles. So this type of house is known as a stilt house. Heavy rainfall areas, people use stilt house. People built stilt house. Okay, once again I repeat, there are two types of houses. One is a permanent house, another one is a temporary house. That permanent house, that kacha and pakka houses are made of permanent or fixed in the ground. Okay, the kacha and pakka houses are fixed on the ground. Fixed on the ground, it cannot be moved. So that only these type of houses are known as a permanent house. அது எங்கே இருக்கும்? பெர்மனண்ட்டாக ஒரு பிளேஸில் தான் இருக்கும், அதை மூவ் பண்ண முடியாது. இதெல்லாம் ஹட்ஸு, பங்களா, அப்பார்ட்மெண்ட். ஸோ தட் ஒன்லி these type of houses are known as a permanent house. Permanent, ஒரே பிளேஸில் இருக்குது. And next one is a temporary house. Some people do not live in a particular, live in a long time for one place. They keep moving from one place to another. So they live in the temporary houses. The tent, houseboats, caravan is the example of temporary houses. Okay, these type of people, wherever they are all going, so they make a tent and then they live. And then houseboat also, they move one place to another, searching of food or shelter or anything. Okay, and then caravans. Caravans also, it looks like a van. It made on wheel, the housing on wheel. ஒரு வேன் மாதிரி இருக்கும், அதில் வீல் இருக்கும். they all move one place to another. Tent is made of canvas. And then houseboats are made of wood. It floats in river and lakes. Caravan is a house on wheel. It looks like a van. And some areas, that different climatic conditions areas, people are build a special home. Okay, special houses. For example, in very cold regions, people build dome-shaped house using ice blocks. நல்ல கோல்டான ஏரியாவில் ஐஸ் பிளாக்ஸ் வச்சு, ஐஸ் கட்டியை வச்சு ஒரு ஹோம் மாதிரி மேக் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ தட் இஸ் அ இக்லூ. தட் இஸ் நோன் அஸ் இக்லூஸ். இது ஏன் இப்படி டோம் ஷேப்பில் இருக்குதுன்னா, ஈஸியாக அந்த பனி ஸ்னோலாம் விழுறப்போ, ஸ்னோ ஃபாக் ஆர் தட் easily remove on the floor. So that only they are all made this shaped homes. Okay, they are all made this type of houses. And next one is a stilt house. In heavy rainfall areas, people build houses higher from the ground. Groundல இருந்து கொஞ்சம் உயரமாக பில்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஏன்னா அந்த ஏரியாஸ் ஃபுல்லாக ஆல்வேஸ் வெட். ஸோ தட் only they are all build higher from the ground. They are all using bamboo poles. So these type of houses are known as stilt house. Can you clear this topic? Yes, once again I repeat, houses around us. In this lesson we have learned houses around us. First, why do we need a house? We need a house to protect us from heat, cold, rain, wind and some wild animals. So that only we are all build a house and protect ourselves. Next one, there are two types of houses already we learned, pakka houses and kacha houses. What is a pakka house? Some building houses are made of ice, brick, cement, steel and iron. So these type of buildings are very strong buildings. So that only they are all called a pakka houses. An example of pakka houses, apartment, bungalow, this is a pakka houses. And then next one is a kacha houses. Some materials use that wood, stone, straw and then bamboo. These materials are used to build a houses is known as kacha houses. Okay, and a hut is an example of kacha house. Okay, can you clear this topic? What's a pakka house? And then kacha house? Okay, next one, there are two types of houses. One is that permanent house and then temporary house. That permanent house is both kacha and pakka house are known as a permanent house. These type of houses are fixed on the ground. It cannot be moved, cannot move. So that only these type of houses are known as a permanent house. And some people are living one place to live. Some people are live for long using in the temporary houses. They are all live in the temporary houses. And example of tent, caravans and houseboats. Tent is made of canvas and then houseboats are made of wood. It floats in rivers and lakes. And the next one is a caravan. Caravan is a house on wheel. It looks like a van. Can you clear this topic? It's okay. Next assignment. Okay, fill in the blanks. A tent is a dash house. A tent is a dash house. Tent is a temporary house. Spell the word temporary. Temporary. A tent is a temporary house. Dash are built in cold regions. Igloo are built in cold regions. In very cold regions is made of igloo is using snow blocks. And then a dash is a house on wheel. A caravan is a house on wheels. Next question, a houseboat is made of dash. A houseboat is made of wood. Spell the word wood. W-O-O-D. Wood. Once again, fill in the blanks. A tent is a temporary house. A tent is a temporary house. Spell the word temporary. T-E-M-P-E-R-A-R-Y. Temporary. A tent is a temporary house. Dash are built in cold region. Igloo are built in cold region. Spell the word igloo. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. Once again, spell the word igloo. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. A dash is a house on wheels. A caravan is a house on wheels. Spell the word caravan. C-A-R-A-V-A-N. Caravan. Spell the word caravan. C-A-R-A-V-A-N. Next one, a houseboat is made of dash. A houseboat is made of wood. A houseboat is made of wood. Spell the word wood. W-O-O-D. Wood. Shall I go to next one? Match the following. Okay, here I give some rooms and then activity also given. Okay, match. First one, kitchen. Sleeping. Here given activities. This side I give some rooms. Here given that activity. So now match. Kitchen, sleeping, watching, cooking, bathing. What we do in the kitchen? We are all prepare a food. Cooking. So match. Living room. What we do in the living room? Watching TV. So the same column given. So this is the answer. Watching TV. And then bathroom. Bathroom we used to bath. So bathing. And then bedroom. What we do in the bedroom? We are sleep. So sleeping. Okay. So different rooms in our houses. And then next question. Next one is the answer the following questions. First question. What is an igloo? Igloo is a dome-shaped house made of snow blocks. Igloo na enna? Adu oru dome-shaped block. அது எதால மேட் ஆயிருக்கும்? ஐஸ் பிளாக்ஸால மேட் ஆயிருக்கும். ஓகே, இக்லூ இஸ் a dome shaped house made of snow blocks. Okay, igloo is a dome shaped house made of snow blocks. Shall I go to next question? What is a permanent house? Already I am telling what is a permanent house. Permanent houses are those which are fixed to the ground. Permanent house na enadhu? எந்த ஹவுஸ்லாம் ஃபிக்ஸோட கிரவுண்டோட ஃபிக்ஸ் ஆகி இருக்குதோ அதெல்லாம் பெர்மனன்ட் ஹவுஸ். பெர்மனன்ட் ஹவுசஸ் ஆர் தோஸ் விச் ஆர் ஃபிக்ஸ் டு த கிரவுண்ட் அண்ட் கேனாட் பி மூவ்டு. என்ன ஆகாது? மூவ் ஆகாது. all kacha and pakka houses are permanent houses. Okay, already know all the kacha and pakka houses are known as a permanent house. Once again I repeat, what is a permanent house? Permanent houses are those which are fixed to the ground and cannot be moved All kacha and pakka houses are a permanent house. Okay, today's homework. Learn and write question and answer 1, 2 in lesson 3. Thank you.